I agree. So, what is the domain and range? Domain are our x values. Whenever you have an ordered pair, x comes first. Everything's alphabetical. X, comma, y. So, our domain, I'm going to put it in a sweet box. I have -4, -2, -1. Got -1 twice. 0, 1. I got that twice. And +4. That's my domain. You should write it and set brackets from smallest to biggest. So -4, -2, -1, 0, 1, 4. That would be my domain. Range is the y values. So once again, you just go through the y values: -1, 0, -4, +4, +4 again, 3, 2, and -1 again. So I'm not going to rewrite those. And my range is going to be -4, smallest to biggest, -1, 0, 2, 3, and 4. The next question is, which is true about the relation? Is it a function? The value of x increases as y decreases. The value of x increases as y decreases, or increases, and the relation is a linear function. Alright, the easiest is this relation a function or not? The way we figure that out is if you can draw a vertical line and it passes through 2 points at the same time on this same vertical line, then it is not a function. So, here, I can draw a vertical line through that, passes through 1 point. We're good. Draw a vertical line here, passes through 1 point. We're good. Draw a vertical line here, it passes through 2 points. That's not good. Once you run into a contradiction, it is not a function. That would be our answer there. Not a function. Okay, number 18. Determine which relation is a function. Same thing, you can use the vertical line test or mapping. I'm going to use this one to show you the mapping part. -4 went to -1, -2 went to 0, -1 went to -4, -1 went to +4, 0 went to 3, and 1 went to 4, and 4 went to -1. Did I miss that? 1 went to, 1 went to 2 as well, and then 4 went to -1. Okay, so looking at this mapping, I have 1 out of my domain going to 2 different things in my range. That makes it not a function. Also, -1 doing the same thing, went to 2 different things in my range. That makes it not a function. So on number 18, when it says determine a function, which is a function, we want to look for something that doesn't have something in the domain going to 2 different things in the range, and we want to see if it passes the vertical line test, which is only hitting 1 point and not multiple points. So if you have questions on that, please ask me. I'm not going to go over that in the video. For questions 19 and 20, use the graph. Last 2 questions, yay. Anna's loan, her weekly payments, and her balance, her loan balance. So it's a slanted graph, and this is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. And it says interpret the y-intercept of the graph. Okay, so the y-intercept is wherever it crosses the y-axis. So here, it looks like it crosses at 500. So my y-intercept is going to be y-intercept is going to be $500. So we just look for that value in our choices. Now, x-axis is very similar. You look on your thing, and wherever crosses the x-axis, that's our x-intercept. Okay, next question. Interpret the end behavior of a function. End behavior. All you want to do is look at what's happening at the arrows, the ends of this graph. Let me write down this value here. All the other points are important, but just to save time, I'm not going to worry about it. So here, I draw a little guy still. Little guy is always fun. And he can only move to the left, forward, or to the right, forward. So as he's walking, the function is decreasing. And x here is increasing. So as y is decreasing, x is increasing. And you can look right here and see that clearly. So let's just look here. The amount owed decreases, which that makes sense because the loan balance is getting smaller and smaller. The payment amount decreases. The payment change is not changing, payment says, so that's not it. The amount owed increase, I would hope not. If you're paying it off, you should be decreasing. And the payment amount increases. Once again, this graph has nothing to do with the payment amount, just the weekly amount of payments and the loan balance. So, the answer to this is the payment amount decreases, or the loan balance decreases. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be up walking around, seeing if you understand. Good luck on your test. Please ask questions, as many as you can muster. Really, I appreciate them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.